Cashless is a method of payment where people using a digital money like e-wallet, credit, and many more digitally to pay for their stuff in online shop or offline shop. Uh, why people begin to switch? Because people see that cashless have more benefit than cash, where cashless bring more security, it's more flexible and efficient than cash-based payment. Those benefits made people change their form of method. But people like me and many others do not want to change their method of payment using cashless. They still and will use cash-based currency for buying their stuff because many reasons. Personally, I have five reasons, and I will tell you about it now. My name is Aula Bagasali from 1210 version 8, and I will tell you about my uncle. Number one, I do not want government or company to track my digital footprint because uh, when you're doing a transaction, the data will be sent to a company or worse, government, and they will know what you're doing, what your location, and what you're buying. So there is no privacy and freedom to buy stuff in using a cashless because you and me will be constantly getting watched by the government, and it's make me uncomfortable, and it make me scared, and it make me did not want to buy more in using a cashless based uh, payment because it's very no privacy. Yeah, this is many reason why biggest reason why people doesn't use uh, cashless based payment. Next lesson. The second lesson is the security concern like bugs, Symphonov, cyber attack, phishing, and other risks. In 2023, there were a series of accidents involving a many balance from many people account in e-wallet called no, I want to call that called DFs, where many account of many people have lost their money. I got the news from my cousin where he lost roughly 100,000 rupiah in that apps. And after I searched up the news more deep, I found out that many people lost their money, money like real money, where it reached 1 million rupiah. So after I saw that news, I removed all my money from many e-wallet apps. Other than that, T to change back to normal wallet. Yes, normal wallet. I come back to use the normal wallet in the third reason. The third reason is that my habit and self-control. Since I was a child, every time I want to buy something, I must bring myself money. So it creates a habit when I want to buy a stuff, I must have money in my pocket or my wallet. So if I am paying, you are paying, I am paying using cash, real cash. It feel something was lost in my hand and mind because I lost my money. So it create a pressure to myself to back down from buying more stuff because I did not have the money to buy more. But when you using a cashless, the feeling of loss is also disappear, and the urge to buy more without thinking also increase. Uh, Using a real cash, help me to control my consumerism, and not not buy more stuff when I did not have a reason to buy it or reason to use it. That's my third reason. Next to the fourth reason. The fourth reason is my neighborhood or my surrounding doesn't support cashless. Even though even though I live in city, surprisingly that my neighborhood or in Indonesian called RW, kelurahan, doesn't have doesn't have many stores that support a cashless based payment because many of stores that open in my neighborhood is owned by local people that was becoming too old to understand the or using cashless payment or QRIS in Indonesian. Fifth and the last reason, the cash is more universal. It can be used by sort of different people, like aged people, people that have disabilities, people that in different environment, and many more. Using cashless is sure is fast, flexible, efficient, but for people like all people, say, will have difficult time to process or use a cashless payment. Uh, but when you using a cash-based payment, you don't see that happening because for them, people using cash is more convenient for and flexible for their abilities to pay. And I remember also that when I asked my grandmother why they do not use QRIS for their shop, they said they did not know how QRIS and cashless payment work. As I also heard, they did not know how to make or register their QRIS barcode for their shop. So for people that have this advantage, it's more difficult to use cashless based payment, and it's more easy to use cash. Yes. So are the five reasons why I did not fully use the cashless payment because it has a security risk, privacy risk, it not fully integrated in my neighborhood, it uh, doesn't support many people, and it also push the feeling of consumerism for me. But I think the cashless payment is also beneficial for me in some cases. But like when you using membership like YouTube, Spotify, and many more, and like in-game currency, online shop, and many more that require you to use digital money. Uh, And for me, I think that we cannot avoid using cashless payment because everything now is digital, and when you not uh, keep up with the technology, you will left behind and miss some good opportunities in many sectors like economic and politics. So overall, that's all I can say, and thank you very much for listening uh, my argument. So if you don't like my argument or I have my pronunciation wrong, you can correct me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.